Have you been considering using drugs to extend your stay in the bed during sex? Well, here we tell you, move over medications or drugs. Regular exercise could be the best medicine for a man to improve his sex life. You know that working out is good for your health, but did you know that it could also help you have better sex? According to experts, working out 3 to 4 times a week can do a lot to help your sexual technique, flexibility and endurance. So what types of exercises are best for better sex? You can work your arms, abs and chest as much as you like, but no amount of muscle gain will help you beat premature ejaculation and erectile dysfunction. For that, you'll need to train your pelvic floor. If you're not sure how to do that, don't worry, we'll come into it in a bit. But just so you're aware, this isn't exactly the kind of workout you will want to do in the gym. However, it's extremely effective at preventing you from shooting early. A study conducted in 2005 found that strengthening a man's pelvic floor, the muscles that surround the base of your penis and form a shelf across the bottom of your pelvis, should be considered as a first-line approach for men seeking long-term resolution of their erectile dysfunction. But this workout doesn't just help you tackle erectile dysfunction, it will improve your performance in the bedroom too. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you 9 exercises to help you avoid premature ejaculation and make you last longer and re-energize your sex life. So watch the video until the end to never miss a thing. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Now let's get into the better sex exercises, shall we? Number 1. Weightlifting. The strength training could be just what the doctor ordered for your sex life. The reason? Weightlifting causes the body to produce testosterone, which is a primary precursor for male sex drive. You should lift weights for as much as it is enough to feel fatigued by the 10th repetition. In fact, some studies have linked short, intense exercises such as weightlifting with increased testosterone levels. To improve your sex life, do some push-ups, sit-ups and crunches. These muscle-building exercises can help lead to better sex by strengthening the shoulders, chest and abs. Strong upper body strength can increase stamina since these muscles are used during intercourse. Number 2. Kegels. Doing Kegels is considered a good sex exercise for men because these exercises can help endurance and control by toning the PC muscles, the ones that let you stop the flow of urine midstream. Named after Los Angeles physician Arnold Kegel, they strengthen the muscles in your body's pelvic floor, which can lead to better sex. Men can use Kegels to delay ejaculation by contracting these muscles just before orgasm. To do Kegels, start by interrupting the flow of urine when going to the bathroom to get familiar with your PC muscles. After that, you can do Kegels anytime and any place by squeezing the PC muscles. Hold for 10 seconds, relax and do as many reps as you can before tiring. Or alternatively, you can do 3 sets of 30 reps. 3 to 4 times a week. Kegels are without doubt the best exercise for sex. So if you have time for a one-move workout, make sure this is the move you choose. Squeeze the muscles that you would use to stop the stream of urine and hold the contraction for 1 to 2 seconds. Concentrate only on using pelvic muscles and not your glutes, thigh or hip muscles. Number 3. Front squats. Compound exercises target your body's biggest muscles. The National Strength and Conditioning Association found that compound moves, which also include the deadlift and bench press, elicit a huge hormonal response, sending your testosterone levels soaring. This can help you have longer, more powerful orgasms. To do front squats, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a barbell across your upper chest. You can either support the weight on your fingers with wrists extended or cross your arms to support the weight. Taking care to not arch your back, push your hips back and bend your knees to lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Drive your heels into the floor to push yourself explosively back up to the start position. Sets and reps, 3 sets and 8 to 10 reps. Number 4. Fast walking. In a study of 31,000 men over age 50, Harvard researchers found that aerobic exercises resulted in a 30% lower risk of erectile dysfunction. More specifically, according to another study, aerobic activities that burns at least 200 calories per day, which is equal to fast walking for 2 miles, can significantly lower the risk of erectile dysfunction. Brisk walking is thought to help erectile dysfunction by improving circulation and blood flow. Fast walking, running, and other aerobic activities help your sex life for the same reason that they prevent heart attacks. They keep your blood vessels clear. The result can be strong and long erections. Vigorous activities such as running and brisk walking also release endorphins and relax you, which can boost sexual performance. Number 5. Kettlebell Swings. Research from the Harvard Medical School suggested that a strong pelvic floor region enhances rigidity during erections and helps to stop blood from leaving the penis. The kettlebell swing will help strengthen your posterior chain and pelvic region, helping you last longer and be more active during sex. It can also improve cardiovascular function. To do kettlebell swings, stand with your feet set wider than shoulder width and bend your knees to grab the kettlebell with both hands. Drive your hips, keep your back flat, swing the weight up to your shoulder height. Return to the start position and repeat without losing momentum. Sets and reps, 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps. Number 6. Swimming. In another Harvard study of 160 male and female swimmers, the swimmers in their 60s reported sex lives comparable to those in their 40s. Since sexual activity can be an act of endurance, long-distance swimming can keep you going and going like the Energizer Bunny. According to experts, swimming for at least 30 minutes 3 times a week will increase sexual endurance. Swimming is also a great activity for weight loss, which can also lead to better sex. A randomized single-blind study of 110 obese men with erectile dysfunction found that losing just 10% of their body weight improved sexual function in 1/3 of the men. And it's no secret that losing excess body fat will help attain those six-pack abs and make you more attractive to potential partners. The result? Better sex. Number 7. Barbell hip thrusts. Hip thrusts will improve your hip mobility, glute strength, as well as your thrust capacity, which can be quite useful during sex for obvious reasons. To do barbell hip thrusts, lie with your upper back resting on a bench and your feet flat on the floor in front of you. Rest a barbell on the crease of your hips and raise your hips until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold for a count and then slowly return to the starting position. Sets and reps, 3 sets and 10 reps. Number 8. Bodyweight squats. The strength exercises can increase your testosterone levels, but squats can also increase blood flow to the pelvic region, making orgasm more intense. In order to do bodyweight squats, stand with your feet shoulder widths apart. Start the movement by bending your knees and sitting back with your hips. Go down as far as you can and quickly reverse the motion back to the starting position. Keep your head up and back straight throughout the move. Sets and reps, 3 sets and 10 reps. Number 9. Want to shake up your sex life with some new positions? Yoga is our number 9 list. Practicing yoga will give you better sex and allowing your body to get into creative positions for maximum pleasure during intercourse. Yoga will help your flexibility, which can result in better sex. Some experts say it can also improve your stamina in the sack by drawing your energy in and up. Experts recommend yoga poses that improve pelvic muscles, such as the bow pose, peacock pose, and also called the forearm and elbow balance and shoulder stand. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled 9 exercises to help you avoid premature ejaculation and let you last longer. Try doing some or all of the above workouts to improve your sexual technique, endurance, and flexibility. Your mate will be impressed with your sexual powers, and as a side benefit, you will get healthier and fitter along the way. Which one of the above exercises is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can apply daily in your life. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.